everyone, welcome to the channel. Hi, I'm Advaita Tiwari and today I'm going to talk about how I de-stress myself plus how you can too. I know de-stressing is quite a normal topic, but I think it still needs that amount of attention because lately we all have been really stressed out about our lives. Like, obviously, our lives have taken a different turn due to the pandemic and stuff. So I think it is important that we should know how we need to de-stress ourselves. So today I'm going to be mentioning the steps that I take, that I personally use to de-stress myself. And the first one is to identify the stress trigger. This is the obvious one because if you have to solve a problem, you need to know the reason behind your problem. Because how involved we have been in our life lately after like this corona and stuff, things have started being little better. So we have started doing multiple things at a time and we take stress and we are not able to find the reason behind it, and that's why we are not able to de-stress ourselves. So it is important that you take few moments and realize what are the things that are actually stressing you out. Again, I think I've said this point quite a lot, that if your stress trigger point is something that is temporary, that could be removed out of your life, that can be taken out of your life, then take it out of your life. But if it is something that is permanent, that cannot be removed, that is little important but still making you feel like you just still providing you stress, then you need to ignore it. So ignorance sometimes has to be implemented in your life if things are permanent and if you cannot remove them out of your life. Now the second one is take 10 minutes walk. I know every one of us don't have time for going for gymming and providing like a half an hour or a 1 hour thing for doing exercise, and not all of us like gymming and all of this, but I think definitely all of us has at least 10 minutes in our day to go for a walk. And I think walk is pretty flexible, like doesn't have any criteria that you need to walk around a park, you need a park, you can walk in your terrace, you can walk in your balcony also. When you walk, like when you're out, when you're walking in your terrace or balcony, it also helps you to connect with the environment, with the natural fresh air, and the fresh air definitely helps your mind to open up and to retain its energy. So it really helps you to clear your thoughts. Like if your thoughts are really entangled, if you're stressing on something, it could help you to actually clear your thoughts and provide a solution for some problem that is actually a stress trigger for you. So third point is laugh. I think laugh is the most common one and all of us know. It is proven that laughing helps in de-stressing. So laugh, watch a stand-up comedy on YouTube or somewhere, or be with someone who makes you laugh. Anyone, like anyone from your family. This point doesn't have a lot of explanation but still is a pretty easy one to implement. Social networking sites have provided so much things that you can laugh on, like memes or things like that. This is to the fourth point, that is meditation. Meditation helps you to clear your thoughts, like it helps to empty your brain so your brain can relax. Your brain, your mind needs a little breaks. Like if you provide so much to your mind, it will also get frustrated and ultimately you will take a lot of stress. So meditation is a really good point if you want to clear your thoughts, if you want to just relax, you want your mind to take a little rest, meditate. Fifth one is get up early. Now I know this is not for every one of us, like not every one of us can wake up early, but what we can do is that if you suppose wake up at 12, you can start waking up at 11. If you wake up at 8, you can wake up at 7, like this. So how this helps, if you wake up early, you have a plenty of time in your day, and this way you can be able to do a lot of stuff that you were not able to do before, and this way you will have a lesser amount of stress because you have already done quite a lot in your day. So you have been really productive, you have done things that were needed to be done, so a really effective. Next one is eat well. I mean, food is definitely something that helps a lot with your mood, a lot with your brain, and a lot with how you're feeling. So food definitely helps a lot. It just soothes you so much because if definitely food makes stomach happy, and if stomach is happy, your mind is happy. So these are all interrelated. So eat good food, eat food that you like. Doesn't mean you are eating junk every day and providing yourself to a stress of then losing weight, तो वो नया stress हो जाएगा. Eat good food that you like for like a day or two. That doesn't mean if you are having stress you will eat all week and like take another stress of losing the weight. तो फिर वो तो पूरा cycle ही चलते जाएगा, कभी खत्म नहीं होगा. Don't do that. Next one is visualize. This one is my most favorite because I visualize a lot, and I love this point because if you're stressed, if you're not feeling good, if you're alone, you don't live with someone, and even if you live with someone, just visualize yourself with the best people you have in your life, with peoples you love, with the peoples you feel good about. Visualize them. Visualize, suppose, a dinner with them. Visualize evening snacks with them, a brunch with them. It makes you feel so good. Visualizing definitely helps you a lot. Please visualize positive things. Chew some gum. एक तीर से दो निशाने. अगर स्ट्रेस बस्टर भी हो जाएगा, जॉ लाइन भी मिल जाएगी, तो 2 रुपये 5 रुपये की च्युइंगम आती है, चबा लो, बहुत मदद होती है, जॉ लाइन भी बन जाती है. वैसे मैं बहुत कम करती हूँ, जॉ लाइन तो दिख नहीं रही होगी आपको मेरी, तो ऑब्वियसली समझ आ रहा है, इतना मैं करती नहीं हूँ. और कितना भी च्युइंगम चबा लूँ, मेरा तो जॉ लाइन का पता नहीं है, पर आपकी आ सकती है. तो ये वाला पॉइंट बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत सस्ता, बहुत सुंदर, बहुत टिकाऊ, एकदम मस्त. क्योंकि ना च्युइंगम करने से आपका जॉ लाइन तो बनेगा, साथ में आप ना जब च्युइंगम करते हो, मतलब आप जब च्युई करते हो ना गम, आपकी ना सारी माइंड जो है, मतलब ऑल योर माइंड इज डायरेक्टेड टूवर्ड्स च्युइंग दैट गम. और आप कुछ कुछ सोचने लग जाते हो कि च्युइंगम कैसे हो रहा है, ये ऐसे कैसे हो रहा है, फिर बबल फुलाने लग जाते हो. तो अल्टीमेटली इट हेल्प्स टू डाइवर्ट योर माइंड. एंड आई डोंट नो, इतना कुछ फैक्ट नहीं मेरे पास इसको प्रूव करने के लिए, बट इट हेल्प्स, मेरे को तो बहुत मदद करता है. तो माइंड पॉसिबल हेल्प्स यू. ट्राई कर सकते हो, कुछ नहीं जा रहा है, अगर स्ट्रेस नहीं कम हुआ तो जॉ लाइन नहीं आ जाएगी, तो कर लो ट्राई यार. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज गेट इनफ स्लीप. कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा है लाइफ में, ऐसा लग रहा है कि सारी चीज़ें खराब हो रही है, इस बात का स्ट्रेस ले रहे हो कि आप डी स्ट्रेस नहीं कर ले पा रहे हो, आपकी माइंड बहुत ज़्यादा थक गया है, सो जाओ, सो जाओ. बेस्ट थिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू, योर माइंड विल फील सो मच फ्रेश एंड सो मच लाइक रिटेन्ड. सारी एनर्जी वापस आ जाएगी, आपको और चीज़ करने का मन करेगा. I know sometimes it's hectic, you cannot take nap and all that thing, but trust me, if you put that 1 hour where you're not happy and you're frustrated into something, it will not turn out it will not turn out the way you want it. But if you just take a 1 hour nap and then you do it, the work will be done in a very effective and efficient way, because now your mind is all clear, all fresh. That's why. सो कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा है लाइफ में, सारी चीज़ें गलत जा रही है, मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आ रहे हैं, मम्मी पापा कोस रहे हैं, काम अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, खाना अच्छा नहीं मिल रहा है, फालतू में मूड खराब है, सो जाओ. बेस्ट. नेक्स्ट वन इज हग समवन. एनीवन, यू कैन हग योर मम्मी पापा. व्हेन यू हग समवन you love, it really helps you because you provide your brain the message that there is someone who loves you. There's someone who is with you and who will help you in your life. There's someone that is always with you no matter what happens in your life. So it provides a sense of satisfaction in your mind. Last one, and I think it's really important, is unplug yourself, because I feel the generation we are living in, where the social medias and where there's electronic platforms have been really important to us, there definitely have been certain cons of them, and one of them is stress. Because when you see someone's life being so perfect, even though it's not, everyone's life is not perfect. I make videos, but that doesn't mean that I don't have bad days and I don't have negative thoughts. I have bad days, I have negative thoughts. What you see is not the full truth. So when you see someone's life is going great, they are achieving so much in their life, oh भाई इतने पैसे हैं, इतना खाना, इतना सक्सेस है, इतना अच्छी पढ़ाई है, इतनी अच्छी जॉब है, इतना अच्छा घर है, इतनी अच्छी फैमिली है, ये है वो है, यू गेट द लिटिल थिंग्स ना, कि इतना स्ट्रेस हो जाता है आपको कि मेरे साथ तो कुछ अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, मैं ना पढ़ पा रहा हूँ, ना मैं कुछ कर पा रहा हूँ अपनी लाइफ में. ऐसा लगता है कि भाई किस लिए पैदा हुए हैं, ऐसी जीवन तो ऐसे ही चल रहा है, सो रहे हैं, खा रहे हैं. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. सबके देर आर डेज व्हेन एवरीवन इज प्रोडक्टिव, देर आर डेज व्हेन समवन इज नॉट प्रोडक्टिव, एंड इट्स ओके. इवन इफ यू आर नॉट प्रोडक्टिव, you need to know this fact that when you are not productive, you are actually being productive, क्योंकि आप अपने माइंड को उतना रेस्ट दे रहे हो उस दिन कि वो अच्छी तरह से फंक्शन कर पाए, वो अच्छी तरीके से रिलैक्स कर पाए, और अगले दिन वो और ज़्यादा एफिशिएंट और इफेक्टिव हो पाए. सो योर अनप्रोडक्टिव डेज आर नॉट एक्चुअली अनप्रोडक्टिव, बट दे आर प्रोडक्टिव फॉर योर माइंड. इट इज़ important that you give your mind enough amount of rest. On that note, I would like to end this video. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestion, comment that down below. And if you want to be the part of the family, subscribe to the channel. I know how many times I have said this and no one actually subscribes, but ठीक है, बोल देते हैं फिर भी. Till then, goodbye.